For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. This weekend, Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, Soweto Derby. For the first time in a long time, it's number 2 against number 3. Kaizer Chiefs can stop Orlando Pirates from potentially getting closer to Mamelodi Sundowns, or Orlando Pirates can answer or respond to Mamelodi Sundowns as they wrestle for the Betway Premiership. It feels refreshing that there is a consequence in this Soweto Derby. Speaking to Bobo Monday, reminded us that this Soweto Derby has been very one-sided in the past few years. Orlando Pirates winning many of the matches. Will that be the case this weekend? At 3 p.m. on Sunday, we'll be here, and then after that, we'll watch Sundowns at 5 p.m. against Richards Bay. We'll talk Soweto Derby only with Junior. Junior, thank you very much for joining us. Soweto Derby weekend, it's the first time since a very long time, Chiefs, the Pirates, by the Label number 2, number 3. A very important Soweto Derby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Justice?
Benedict Zovila,
So-and-so?
Shane.
Yes, sir.
Obobo, if I fit Winjan, keep on supporting it, TV fighting on, try to fix South African football. This is not going to be an easy game, if I can be honest to you. Chiefs won 5 games in a row. 5 games in a row. I'm talking about this season. They drew against Polokwane City.
Yeah.
Paris, they've been beating people convincing 6-5, scoring 13 goals in 2 games. Or 11 goals in 2 games, actually easy. Marumo this season, if not mistaken, if not Marumo called the Narrows, yes, Marumo. It's only 7 or 8. So, not going to be easy. We talk about the same year that Orlando Pirates players are going to the World Cup. Same Orlando Pirates players, they went to AFCON. Highly motivated, contender of player of the season. Talk about the star player for game. Player of the season or midfield of the season, Apolis probably. Highly motivated, and Kaizer Chiefs, yes. Bazenzele, we can say compliment to them for winning their 5 games. But the questioning is Buzangaba Makeme Bawina against Aboban. Check out team about winning game, those teams are struggling. I can say yes. They've City they go number 5, but how they play now, we release a coach. We change a coach, but it's going to be a difficult game, honestly, both sides. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs will want to be embarrassed to battle with 3-0 first round of the season, which is 2 months ago. A very difficult game to predict, honestly, actually easier.
Just a quick one on the last one that they played. It was 3-0. It was embarrassing. I had Machaga here. We were talking about how bad it was. I remember Bashaya Futi Emba Waloko, Bashaya Richards Bay. And so was standing here and saying, "Dear Kaizer Motaung, please hire people to run this club." At that time, it was a disaster. If you asked the Pirates to go to the Chiefs, they were going to beat them again next morning. At that time. Is there a difference now? Approach your Chiefs. Is there a difference? Are they difficult to beat now? Because that time it was easy. It was Orlando Pirates embarrassed them. There was only one winner. We knew all of us. Pirates is better than Chiefs. Is it different now 2 months later?
Yeah, the different they know who they're playing against, especially this season. Remember this season, Orlando Pirates. A very top Orlando Pirates this season. Title race. Still I'm a content. I think they are still in the title race.
Sure.
Anything can happen. Orlando Pirates, I'm a game. If Sundowns drop the points, Orlando Pirates they still have to play Kaizer Chiefs. Sundowns still have to play Kaizer Chiefs as well. So it's not going to be easy. Pirates are saying this thing with focus on ourselves. So I'm fair. To me, I'll be honest, Taxi game is easy because Kaizer Chiefs, they know who they're playing against. They just got embarrassed 3-0 first round of the season. They will monitor certain players. They won't play open game. I don't think they'll go to play open game. I see play with 3 center back, 3 central midfielders. I think they'll go for a draw, probably. Aside the Kaizer Chiefs. They wouldn't want to be embarrassed, honestly. But one other thing which we'd rather not concede. Abezagiti and maybe Spabambing Ama breaks, but they respect Orlando Pirates. It's not going to be so simple the way it was in Kulmang first round of this season.
Yeah, 100%. I agree with that it might be very cautious for the Chiefs because they want to avoid the embarrassment. For Orlando Pirates, it's consequential Because if you slip up, I still think that the fact that they slipped up against Richards Bay, I lost all hope because I thought Sundowns is going to win a lot of matches. Sundowns, in 6 matches, they're going to win 5 or 4 of them. And I think Pirates are going to drop points. Does it bring any pressure to Pirates players? Uguti, njengoba sidlala Chiefs, if we drop points, izoshaya kwi-league.
It's a tricky match, njengoba ngisho tricky fixture. Orlando Pirates they need points by all means. Irrespective if the Chiefs ihleli at the back or they come to them, Pirates they must find a way.
Yeah.
Once but drop a point manje, Pirates it's over. Vele kunguthi now I believe it's over.
Yeah.
But njengoba ngisho Pirates they will want to win this game. Nakanjani they will go for a kill. Pirates bazoba na this thing which once we must get the early goal. Noma ngaba silithole early but we want to get the goal. Pirates will go for a win, they will never go for a draw because yoba limaza ukugcina vele ba draw the game. It's officially over for me. That's honestly speaking, and because of the quality Pirates now they will wanna go all the way, trusting their players, especially coach. And yeah, Pirates will be open come to get bazofuni win. There's no way they can play draw. Abana choice. Mabanga dluwa the game or by draw. In fact, officially it's over.
Yeah. Let's look at some of the key players. Mofokeng, of course, you've mentioned already. And also Apolis. Those are, I was even saying to Tso Uguti, I'm going to debate who's going to be player of the season.
Yeah.
Those are the 2 outstanding players. You might add a few ones for our nominations. Who else do you see at Pirates? And even a striker question, because it's always been Botuma or Mahopa. How do they answer the striker question?
Yeah, bazodlala ngombutuma based on he scored the last game they played last week. I think he scored the goal. Well done to him to get the goal. Melakore. I mean, you can't be a striker or a team or a midfielder about 4 games in a row. To assist you are not a midfield or a defender. You need to score goals. When Udalila Pamgomapali, so they will go with this kind of Butuma because he scored the last game they played. And these 2, there's understanding one another. Yabo munye makaphambi isandla nomunye ufuna ukumcompliment. If lo akayenzi lo ufuna ukuyenza. I mean, very difficult to stop these 2 at Orlando Pirates. Also, there's Mreme kule mixed page. Umreme naye uphinde makabona le 2 phakathi isandla avele naye, and a very dangerous player. He's got speed, technically very good, and score goals naye, vital goals. Uletha decision making down, but you cannot take nothing away from Umreme. Mawuzobali Orlando Pirates dangerous player naye uyambala Umreme. And yeah, Orlando Pirates, they are better in terms of individual brilliance of players. Pound to pound, I don't think Kaizer Chiefs players they can match Orlando Pirates. Khuluma ngomfukeng Bafana player, a police regular Bafana, and a goal scorer regular Bafana as well. And as we show, those are contender of player of the season. Go to Premiership current. Those are top class players. Go to Premiership. And there's this boy who CM that I believe is playing a major role at Orlando Pirates at the back. No matter Bafana, I don't see any player at Kaizer Chiefs that can play the way he's playing in Kulma at the back. So also the goalkeeping department, they know China that is playing for Bafana. There's Zota International that is playing for his country, Namibia. And yeah, faith honestly, there's Mbule on the bench, Bafana player, no mangadlali currently, but they've got certain players and Sibelebele Bafana player. Yeah. So honestly, it's Mreme Bafana player. Pound to pound, Kaizer Chiefs can't match Orlando Pirates.
So Kulendo assignment. So we're talking about 2 players and they're very dangerous.
Yeah.
Umofugeng no Apolis. Chiefs this week I spend this card to Uguti. Can we assign 2 players on them? 2 defenders. Uguti bahambe nabo wherever they go.
Yeah. No, I game I think Jobangisho first round of the season, they never assign Bazboni embarrassed. Begmele kube 4-5. Must call me via 4-5. Even 6 being in 4-5 years, I think it's a fair enough results first round of the season. Orlando Pirates that they can beat Pirates truly speaking in this year. They beat MTN8 Mamelodi Sundowns, the top Mamelodi Sundowns that is going to CAF. So knowing good Badlana Boban, Jobangisho, they will take care of these 2 players. They will never play open game. They will bazofuna umfukeng to stay with someone, ahlale someone. Mangaba need someone. They will play with 3 central. Umfukeng will play, Mchecha will play probably. This guy Umabuye will play in the midfield. I see badlala nga two center back, which is three. I mean to say, ngibona badlala nga three and wing back ngibona bama. I don't think wing back mhlambe one ngahamba uMonyane probably, but Cross I don't see him going. Ngo Pirates dangerous on the right hand side. Orlando Pirates will come at Kaizer Chiefs. Either way, they will never sit at the back. And Kaizer Chiefs, that's how they're gonna approach the game. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure they're going to do assignments are worrying about Orlando Pirates key players. For Chiefs, is there anyone who can be a danger person for a goal scoring, or we're looking at things like set pieces to maximize the opportunity for goal scoring?
I don't see when players like Kaizer Chiefs they freeze when they play Orlando Pirates, honestly. But set piece dangerous as Gunabule they can jump and head. We too dangerous in terms of heading. A height you can score ngenhloko. Ngimbonile and given a platform unokuthi makathole opportunity unokuthi uyakwazi ukukha ibhola, and once bamnike that opportunity to kick the ball ku target ngoba defense Orlando Pirates center back a bit shaky, but truly speaking I don't see any player uye ngizothi a set piece uLepo he can ngenhloko he can score, you understand. Other players abomdu
Well, these are the games where we need to see Abomtu actually.
It's not gonna happen.
Those are games where they're supposed to raise their hands.
Yeah, true. You are right. Namauzuti Kaizer Chiefs they've been doing 5 games. Kobumtu has been scoring gule 5 games or assist, not Duba. Also Liep. But gule game le. This is a game, a big game, honestly. It's a men's game. It's a men's game. It's a game. And I don't see those players raising. I've been watching his. I'm Shabit WS 5-6. I've never seen him raising his hands. And low Dubage West Kayan. Angamboni match, especially Makimina Changalaw. And Fundo Villagazi, Nayang Kimina can come maybe on the bench, but I don't see those youngsters, especially Bobby's young youngsters, because she's 21 years, 22 years. They've been doing well. But I don't see them doing anything, honestly.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much, Junior. That's the weekend of the Soweto Derby. On Sunday, we'll be here at 3 p.m. Orlando Pirates against Kaizer Chiefs. And then at 5 on Sunday, it will be Mamelodi Sundowns against Richards Bay. So it will be a super Sunday, really, because whatever happens to Sundowns or to Orlando Pirates, it might have title implications. Every match now is a cup final for those two teams in relationship to them being number 1 and number 2 in the league. Sundowns still have to play Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates have to play Kaizer Chiefs this coming weekend. It is Good TV, Times. World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.